guys. Good evening time. Hope you all are doing all right this evening. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on the YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, giveaways, and perks. All right, guys, we've got a 16 pill HG box. This is 2879C's 20 DOH, I think. It was pretty much melted down. I mean, the pills are just ooze and stuff out of them, flux out of the sides of them. They just were shot. About half of them shot, so. We put new transistors in it. We did put the new 24 DOHs in it. And we did put your new fans in there. We left the filters off. I know they keep the dust out, but they also block the air. I'd rather have the dust in the air and blow the box out once in a while. So I put you 4 new 100 CFM fans in it, all new transistors, added electrolytics, and went there, retuned it a little bit, got it working quite a bit better. I'm only going to drive it with like 280 watts, so you're not going to see the full force of what it'll do, but it'll show you it's working and everything. You could probably drive it with up to 400 or 500 peak. You need to keep your deck key, I don't know, I keep it around 250 myself, but no more than 400 out. So let's key him up and look at our straight through SWR and see what she's doing. Alright, straight through SWR. Hello worldwide. Hello worldwide, wide. Just barely a little, almost none. 1, 2 worldwide. Get on down. 018 Donkey Stomper. Turn him on. The fans are red lead. That's just what I had. They did make a little noise, but you got air coming out. I think that's what happened to you. You just burn it down. All right, we're going to look at our radio drive input SWR. The meter on the right. Hello, say the input. 1, 2 radio drive. Radio drive, get on down. 644 and some change. 1, 2, 3, getting on down. Break. I'm going to show you what we're driving it with so you can see, which is almost nothing. Hello worldwide, wide. We're on 276 pp drive in. Hello worldwide, wide. 26 is some change, get on down. Hello, over 1,000 average worldwide, get on down. Guys, you can take and, if I did a regular HG box sitting right here, it'd probably be doing 3,000. The difference is when you drove a regular HG box, it's harder, it wouldn't do no more. When you drive this one harder, it'll keep doing more until it explodes. Same thing with voltage. You really got to drive these C's harder and up the volts on them to get them going. Alright, we'll go over here to our outdoor dummy load. Only Colossal, which I hadn't even tried. Need to try something else too real quick. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Just checking the driver going through. You've got to do that on these boxes. Make sure they don't take off an oscillation and nothing when it's got power up to it. Hello. Alright, we're going to turn him on and drive him. Hello worldwide, wide. 1, 2, 25 and some change. Get on down. Output PEP. Top scale left. On the bird. Oh, I ain't got the bird hooked up. That won't work. That'll only work on the dummy load. But anyway, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 24 and some change. Get on down. Radio check. Be Tennessee, waving a hand. Tell me when the radio's getting out, where you at? What's your 20 said the radio's getting out? Roger, 106 Texas. Well, you got 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper on the test bench. It's rough and tough out there, man, working this little colossal. I appreciate you coming back. You have a good evening, man. It sounded good in Tennessee. 018 Beavis, Tennessee, Donkey Stomper on the test bench, waving a hand. Timber, I appreciate the good sound on the radio. We're standing by. I wish I had a big old radio too. Come on. Tim, I appreciate it, man. We're just on the test bench radio, not even on the big radio. But just trying to get in Tennessee, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper on the Colossal on the test bench, waving a hand. Tim, I appreciate it, man. All right, buddy, I'm going to get back here and get back at it. So I don't think talking is going to be a problem. We'll go back on the other dummy load real quick. I forgot to talk about the bird. It showed it, but I didn't talk about it. All right, we're looking at the bird, the 5-watt reverse. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Watt and a half, watt back, something. Here's our PEP, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, in the corner, 25. But she's all up and ready to go, man. It's working really good. Like I said, you can drive more PEP into it. I'd set it around 200, 250 day key if it was me, but 400 that's max. And I know it's a big investment, so I was trying to really make sure everything worked out. Alrighty guys, that's about it. I'll turn this off. Appreciate y'all watching. Please take time to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. I would like to invite you to join us on YouTube channel members, Patreon channel members, discounts, perks, and giveaways. Check out our merch store. Check us out at donkeystomper.com. That's donkeystomper.com. Big shout out to YouTube channel and Patreon channel members. Y'all take care. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Bye-bye.